wonder how that reflects on the ECM.
I would love to be able to be in one of those teams and go.
Hello, how are you doing?
How are you?
I'm doing good.
Because
Just brought some of my stuff here, to check it out. I've never seen the.
Beautiful show.
I know this is amazing. Me and my dad are coming here tomorrow because a lot of the stuff he wants some of these sake, so we're gonna buy some of those. Just maybe a tree or two, but I brought some of my swords here just to hang out. Yeah, this is very nice. Is this like your own personal collection that you have?
Yeah, it's his collection.
Okay, yeah.
It's our first time at the show though, so
Oh, it is.
it's awesome.
Yeah, I love this. I couldn't find any type of thing around here because it's East Coast, like West Coast. I know they have a lot more type of stuff. It's easier, but if you guys are having this here, I definitely can't wait to come by and check it out. Yeah, this is great.
Beautiful. I've been walking around so much. Just the stuff that we see.
Yeah, I know it's really nice. I'm jealous now, and I got to try a little bit harder.
Well, that's how we're learning too. We just
Yes.
go check out.
Oh my God, it's so nice. Well, thank you very much. I'll definitely be around to check it out. Thank you. $4,200 for this black and blue. How you doing, sir? I have a question. Where do you end up finding a lot of these antique or these swords that you get here? If you don't mind me asking.
No, not at all. I get most of mine from Japan.
Yeah.
Yeah. Until COVID, I was going to Japan 2 or 3 times a year, mostly to train in sword. I've
Yeah?
been studying sword for years. And one of my teachers is a pretty good collector in college. And he got me hooked on this stuff.
Yeah.
And so, I would go and look for swords and